Hey everybody, so I know it's been a while. It's me, Carolyn, on Earthling Cooks. He is actually behind the camera. Today we are going to make tortilla chips. And the first thing we're going to do, besides buy the tortillas, we are going to dry them out. Because you know sometimes you get them, they're a little bit moist. So to dry them out, I set the oven to 250 and I got like a little baking dish, put this little wrapping paper on it. Actually, Earthling set it up. So he's like my sous chef and cameraman all in one. And director. So you just want to lay them out. We're just going to do 5 for now and put them in the oven. Put that in the oven, let's say for about 5 minutes and see how it goes.
After 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and take them out. And again, we did this just to make them a little drier. They cook better after that. We're going to let them kind of cool down for a second, and then we'll cut them into your standard chip. Now that they're a little cooled, we'll cut them up. I find a pizza slicer usually works pretty good. These are the smaller size tortillas. You get like 4 chips out of each one. You can use bigger ones too. And you want to use corn tortillas. Flour doesn't work as good. It will work, but corn's going to give you a better chip. So now, there's still slightly some liquid here just from when it steamed and evaporated. We're just going to let them sit for another minute and then we'll go over to the fryer and finish cooking them.
Okay, now that he's gotten this all cutting up for me, what we're going to do is throw this in the deep fryer. We're using some vegetable oil and we set the temperature to 350. Let's throw some in here. And let it deep fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. And what you can also do is if you feel that they're getting stuck together, and as you can see they're not, but move a little closer in there. But if they do, you can use a spoon and just sift through it a little bit, move them around. So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to drain it a little bit, a lot of it. Pour it in here. Get ready for my next batch. For seasoning, just add a little salt, you know, mix it up a little bit. And get ready for your next batch. Throw more in there. And actually, I'm just going to put them all in here because there's not many left. And give that another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so 2 to 3 minutes is up on these as well. I'm actually going to let this sit while I grab another paper towel. Sort of don't want those to go on top of those right now. So I am going to dump these all out here. And then sprinkle on here now. So, something really simple and quick that if you have some leftover tortillas, you can make you some chips, throw in a little bit of dip, and here you go.